Crypto is a space where you can earn money. Just before you thank me for stating a very obvious fact, rolling your eyes, I'm here to let you know about some of the best NFT games where you can actually earn real money. If you're a bit up to date with the crypto space, then you surely are aware of NFT games where you can play to earn a fair amount of cryptocurrencies, which can then be converted into millions. So which are the games that can create new millionaires? Number 1, Star Atlas. Big fan of space exploration? Then this game is just the one for you. This game is widely expected to set a new standard in the play-to-earn space by blending expansive and strategic space exploration gameplay and top-quality graphics. The game is primarily centered around space exploration, mining and development. Users can explore space and trade NFTs of planets, stars and other items. Each planet or star has unique features, making them all different from one another in the game. This game has 2 tokens, Utility Token, Atlas, and Governance Token, Polis. Recently, this game has partnered with some big names like iBuyPower and MoonPay, and according to its roadmap, this game has some big plans. Number 2, Axio Infinity. This game has stories of actually making some millionaires, and it's still in the development stage. This is a Pokemon-inspired, turn-based game with its own ecosystem of tokens featuring deadly and adorable creatures. The game has various play-to-earn mechanics, including daily tasks and PvP battles that reward players with the SLP portion. SLP tokens can be exchanged for other Ethereum tokens. Players can breed 3 Axies to create offspring based on their parents' genes and making them stronger. To win the Axio Infinity battlefield, logical tactics and decision-making skills are the keys. The most interesting part is that in many countries, people are making a living out of this game. Number 3, Mirandas. If you're more into open-world games, then Mirandas might be your next time kill. This is an NFT game with a fantasy RPG realm that's powered by blockchain technology. The gameplay promotes true player ownership. This means that players and contributors own every item in the game. The scope includes weapons, tents, shops, and even entire cities. There are no maps or quest givers in this game, so players have complete freedom. Mirandas brings immersive experiences to its players with exemplars, the elite avatars where players can collect and farm skills. Right now, the developers officially revealed all 5 exemplars with distinctive stats to the world. It's a great time to get into this game if you're into medieval RPG games. Number 4, Elluvium. Fancy and open-world RPG that bears some similarities to Pokemon? Entering the world of Elluvium, players can unearth the alien planets to obtain the creatures so-called Illuvials for a team fight. As soon as you've obtained your beloved Illuvials, you can train them to become fierce companions, engage in combat against rivals, and perform missions to earn in-game ILV tokens. What's making this game highly anticipated is the integration with Immutable X. You gain access to zero gas fees, peer-to-peer minting, and get instant transactions, all while you securely maintain custody of your assets. It's pretty cool, right? Number 5, the Sandbox. Sandbox is actually not a game and more of a creator platform. Think of the Sandbox as an NFT-powered Minecraft or Roblox. You can play as well as build games and assets. Only here in the Sandbox do you own your own creations and can sell and trade your digital items on the internal marketplace using the Sand token. This pixel-based Metaverse project is the most promising Metaverse with a series of tools players can use to create anything they want. Imagination is the limit. You'll need the land tokens to show your creativity. The Sandbox has an impressive backing range from Atari and CryptoKitties to South China Morning Post and The Walking Dead. Sandbox Metaverse holds 166,464 land NFTs, some of which Snoop Dogg grabbed for exorbitant sums of money. Which game did you like the most? Let us know in the comments. Want to learn a secret way of minting NFTs for free? Click the tab on your screen.